Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐴 with another tutorial whether how you can schedule your stories on your Facebook business page using Metricool. So to schedule your stories, sign into your Metricool account and go to Planning tab. Here you can click either here anywhere in this area or you can just click on Create Post. Both will open the same window. Well, there are two sections of this window. On this section, you will be able to see the preview of your post, and on this section, you will be able to create your post. Anyhow, here are the logos of all the platforms you may have connected with Metricool. And since I'm interested in scheduling my stories on my Facebook business page, I'm selecting Facebook and turning off all the other platforms. And when you click on this drop down, it gives you options whether what exactly you want to schedule. Since this tutorial is about scheduling stories, I'm selecting story. Now upload your story. Well, even though it's showing the characters limit, it doesn't allow to add description, which you can see under errors. Anyhow, if you want to use link shortener, you can turn on this option. And you can check its preview whether how it will look when it will be published. Also, you can check how it will look on different devices. And if there are some additional notes you want to add about the post, you can write them here. Well, here you can see an ellipsis icon which you can use to edit your video. Since I don't need to make any changes, I'm just keeping it as it is. And since no description is allowed, I'm just deleting it. Now, select the time and date you want your story go live. And then click on schedule. Now your story has just been scheduled. And when you hover your cursor on it, it is showing that the status of this story is pending. And if for some reason you want to change the time and date of your story, you can just drag and drop it there. Also, you can turn off the gradient feature if you want. Anyhow, when the story will be published, the status of the story will change from pending to published. And when you go to your Facebook business page, here you can see that there is a blue circle appeared around your profile logo. And when someone will click on it, he will be led to the page where he will be shown this story. Also, you can go to your Facebook feed page and click on stories. And here you can see that you have posted one story. And if you click on it, it will play your story. Moreover, you can click on your profile logo and select View Story to watch it again. Anyhow, once a post is published, it cannot be rescheduled. And if you want to reschedule this story, first open it and duplicate it. And then change its time and date to reschedule it. And here you can see that it's been rescheduled. Moreover, when you go back to the Facebook section on the main page, here you will be able to see the stats of your Facebook business page. And with the free Metricool account, you will be able to see the stats for 3 months. And this is how you can schedule your stories on your Facebook business page using Metricool. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.